Today at Audio City USA, we're going to be covering the top 5 project cars for under 5K in 2024. Let's go. Now, before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe to Audio City USA's YouTube channel because we bring out videos like this every week. Now, today is a topic that I hold dear. I know that Gio
for sure
absolutely loves. We're talking about the 5 best project cars in 2024 in this economy. Now, I know it's hard to believe, but you can still do it. And we've looked long and hard over this list, so without further ado, let's jump in.
First car, guys, we're going to go with really any generation Civic you can find for 5K. These are definitely out there. Not that hard to find.
It's as easy as putting in the word Civic and boom. Now, you are going to have to do different levels of work depending on the vehicle. Some are going to be more clapped than others. But in saying that, parts are so cheap, crashed ones are so cheap that it's really not going to be that bad. For instance, we have this, everyone's favorite Civic. Someone's already gone and put some lights on it. It's got some basic wheels. It is a box in which you can fill with hopes and dreams. You want a track car? You got that. You want a Fast and the Furious car? You got that. You want someone to pull up at 3 a.m. to a McDonald's car park? You got it.
I agree. $3,200 can't go wrong. I'd say put some Bavars on there, and you got a clean car.
With no miles.
No miles. That's brand new.
0 miles. Brand new. Never been driven before. And some of them might be rolled back. But either way, number 1 on our list, we have the Civic. It's trusty. It's tried and true. And there's tons of people out there who've done it, so you can take inspiration.
For sure. Up next, guys, we got the BMW E46. For those of you guys who don't know, the E46 is the 3 Series from 1999 all the way until 2005. My favorite BMW, personally. I have 2 of them. The E46 was also my first car. I got one for $4,500. Beautiful first car.
And honestly, with the engine that's in it, yes, it's going to leak a bit of oil, but it is more reliable than most options out there. It's also got some ability, like, parts are not too bad.
Parts are not bad, not expensive.
It handles like a go-kart, and there's tons of mods out there like Angel Eyes and a whole bunch of stuff that you can do to these vehicles. I think there's going to be tons of options, and indeed there are. Some people out here with the M3s are selling for 15, 16K, but here we go. We have a 330 Ci.
Exactly what my car was.
Interior is tidy. Engine is not leaking.
M54, great engine. And these are known, if you maintain them, for going past 300,000 miles.
Oh, they can do it for sure. Not the most fuel efficient, but definitely a great option. And you can do whatever you want. You can build a track build.
Look at that. 139,000 miles, $4,000.
Absolutely. And look at the interior. That's tidy.
Oh, that's clean.
That's neat.
Nice.
Speaking of M54, we have one of my favorite cars and something I think is quite underrated, the BMW Z3. Now, why do I say BMW Z3? Well, the answer is simple. Everyone and their mom, dad, brother, sister in this world is driving a Miata right now, especially all those like Iwu girls on Instagram. Miatas are kind of played out, and as a result, they're now well over 5K. Well over 5K. You have to be dreaming to think you can get a Miata for less than that. And look at that. Completely in bits, still wants it. Starting at 5K, and then just going up 5.5. 4.5, 6K, 6K for that.
Cheap. Seriously, look at that. Paint gone. This
Messed
thing needs
up.
to be redone completely. $6,000.
Yeah, and the reason we put the Z3 in there is because it has a 6-cylinder engine and comes in at under 5K.
Right. So this has Z3 has double the horsepower of a Miata.
Double the horsepower, same weight.
Exactly. Same type of body style. It's a roadster. Super fun to drive, super agile.
And right now, super underrated, but I feel like in future, it's not going to be the case. Look at this, 2K Z3.
That right there.
Boom.
I'm going to Arizona for this one right here.
Like,
look how clean that
is. That is a good deal, no matter how you slice it. I'll put a picture up right here. I had one of these, I had the 1.9 with E46 M3 wheels. Let me know.
Yours was a manual.
It was a manual, exactly.
Nice.
Number 4 on our list, we have the Ford Crown Victoria.
I know this one's near and dear to your heart.
Oh, yeah. The pride of America right there. I can hear the eagles.
Eagle noise.
And if you've ever been in the back of one or pulled over by one, I'm sure you know how comfortable they are. The reason we put this on the list of vehicles to modify is you can do whatever you want to it. You can lift it and take it off-road. You can slam it and put air suspension in it. The world is your oyster and the Crown Vic is your canvas. Do whatever you want. Look at that. That's pride right there. $800, $800. $800.
Look at that. 2K. There was an off-road one.
So you can buy them pre-modified. That's actually fire.
That's awesome.
That's fire. I don't care what anyone says. Look at that.
That's ready. That's ready for anything.
2K, already someone's done the work. Come and buy it. Come and enjoy it. This is why we put the Crown Vic on here. It's fire. In at number 1, what have we got on this list?
Guys, our last one. This is something I am actually looking to get into pretty soon. We have the Porsche 924 and the 944.
You can get a Porsche for under 5K.
A Porsche for under 5K. Now, while these might not look modern or anything like that, they're great cars for the time. The 80s, beautiful car, and most of them actually come in manual.
That's true. Most of them come in a manual. And as we go have a look, we have one here in Tempe, Arizona.
Look at that.
4.5K. Glorious.
Insane. And that's in good condition.
Paint's nice.
Manual.
Interior's clean. I mean, it's plastic, but either way.
Hey.
You have a Porsche. You can now say to the women that in your life.
You got a Porsche.
Guess what, honey? I just bought a Porsche.
Doesn't matter if it has 87 horsepower. It is a Porsche.
Doesn't matter if the 4-cylinder is out of a van. It's fine. But this is also a great canvas to start with. We've seen people make track cars out of them.
Right. Put some BBS on there, lower it. Beautiful.
LS swap it, imagine.
LS swap. Oh my gosh.
LS swap the Porsche. And so that is the list of the top 5 cars you can buy in 2024 to modify.
If you guys have any other car suggestions, let us know. Under 5K in the comments.
And you know what I think as well? One thing that would really bring all of these cars to life is a brand new set of wheels. And if you guys are looking for a set of wheels for your project car, get in contact with us at AudioCityUSA, either on this phone number up above, and we're going to put it in the description as well, or go to AudioCityUSA.com, where our experts can help you with your project car, because we're actual car enthusiasts. Whether it's a track car, whether it's a daily, we got you covered. And for this Porsche right here, that's no different. We could put some cool stuff on that, get it looking right. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Andy.
I'm Gio.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.